Did you know you could turn this simple farm setup into a money making machine? Welcome to the world of poultry farming, one of Nigeria's most profitable and rewarding businesses. In this video, I will show you how you can start small and grow big, the benefits of poultry farming, and the incredible opportunity waiting for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to my channel, Smart Farm. I believe today you're going to get one or two things, so just stay with me. Nigeria is one of the most largest consumer of poultry products in Africa. Chicken and eggs are everywhere in our homes, restaurants, and special events. From that jollof rice at the wedding to fried eggs for breakfast, poultry is part of our culture. With all this, guess what? Even with the high demand, local farmers can't keep up. The demand means there is huge market gap just waiting for people like you to fill. Let's try and break it down. When you look at the benefit of poultry farming, you will notice there is high demand. More reason why you need to go into poultry farming. There is high demand. Everyone eats chicken and eggs, whether it's small family or a big restaurant or a small restaurant. The demand never stops. And when you look at the quick return, unlike other businesses that you have to wait years to see profits, with broilers you can start making money in just 2 months. Did I say 2 months? In just 4 weeks. That's 1 month. Even 3 weeks. We have some people that sell 3 weeks old to people that will continue the training from there. We have people that sell 4 weeks old. In fact, most of the big restaurants, they buy 4 weeks old. The likes of Sweet Sensation and the rest. So you can see the money, the return comes quickly to you, not like every other businesses that you have to wait for 6 months or even a year. Then one other thing that makes poultry more easy and that even give us more reason to okay, let's try it, is that you can start small. I've done a video on this. You can start with as small as, in fact, 5, so you can get 50 birds and grow as your business expands. Many successful farmers that you see today in Nigeria started with just a few chicken. Then when you look at the multiple revenue aspects, you will notice that there is need. I'm sorry, my baby is disturbing. Okay, you will notice that it's not only chicken that you can sell. In poultry, you can sell egg, you can sell your processed chicken, you can sell even the poo, the manure. We call it poultry manure. During the planting season, most of the time we sell the manure for 1,015 a bag. So you can imagine, nothing is a waste in poultry farming. And if you don't want to sell your own, you can as well use it to plant what you will eat in your home or whatever. You can try and sell it anyway. So you can see reasons why, or can I call it benefits of poultry farming. There is more to this, honestly. Poultry farming isn't just about raising chicken. Let me show you some opportunity you might not have thought about. When we look at feed production, every poultry farmer needs feed. So if you are the type that you are good in combination nutritionist, you can as well produce and sell feed. Another one is organic fertilizer. I've talked about that. Those waste they are dropping, poultry dropping, can be turned into organic fertilizer, which is in high demand among crop farmers. So you can see you are not losing anything. Then you can as well process your chicken products and start selling it in a shop, like those frozen chicken sellers. So you can just train your chicken, process them, and sell to your customer. You brand it and sell to the supermarkets also. Then when you have trained yourself, you are now an expert, or you've gained enough knowledge, you can as well be a consultant and train people. So I will just give you a few steps on how to get started. I've done this in my previous video. The first step is to start small. Don't rush. Start with a few number of birds and grow as you learn. Then you need to do your research about the best breeds, the feeding methods, and the disease management. And again, you don't want to forget high quality chicks. You want to buy your chicks from a qualified vendor or direct. Okay, you, for the fact that you are starting small, you can't get directly from the hatchery, but we have some reliable sellers that can sell to you. So you need to get your healthy chicks, a clean housing, then high quality feed, clean water with proper care. In fact, success is yours. The last but not the least, before you buy your chicks, you want to make a market plan. You need to talk to people, market your products even before you get the chicks. So that is just it. Simple. It's simple. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your farm grow. So what are you waiting for? Poultry farming is not just a business, it's a chance to create a better future for yourself and your community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more farming tips and success stories, let's grow together. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.